Hi everyone, my name is Barbie Pena, and today I'm going to go ahead and do a nail tutorial that was requested not once, twice, maybe 3 times by a good friend of mine. So this is for you, but here are my hands, okay? I've already prepped them. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I do a reverse French manicure. So today we're going to be using Chanel and Coral Mandel. I'm going to be using Essie and Sugar Daddy, and then just a Color Last top coat, okay? Whoops, okay, sorry, I did not mean to drop that. So I'm gonna go ahead and point the camera down, and then we're gonna get started on the nails, okay? Also, the reverse French manicure works the best if you have pointy nails, as you can see I do here. I'm gonna do it on this hand because this nail broke, it's really short, it's lame. So I'm just gonna show you guys on this hand. So try to file your nails into a point so that when you do the reverse heart French manicure, it actually looks like a heart. Sometimes takes a little bit of practice, but practice makes perfect, so just keep trying and eventually you will get it. I recommend doing this with dark colors like a dark red, black, let's see, just any dark color will show up a lot better. If you try to do a light color, like say if I try to do one in this color, it's not going to show up. So anyway, we'll go ahead and start with my thumb. What you want to do is you want to get a good amount of nail polish, like where it's almost like falling off like this, because what you're going to do is you're going to dot a little dot on each side of your nail, and that's where you're going to start creating the heart. Okay, let me see if I could do this. Okay, drag this up like so. So make it to where there's like a little bead of nail polish that's almost gonna fall off of your nail polish brush. Make a little dot like this. Okay, and then you drag it up like so, and then you're gonna start working it into a heart. And you know, there might be a tool you can use for this to make it even easier, but I don't really do that. I just kind of do the best I can with just a nail polish brush, and usually it works out pretty okay. And you might need a few coats of this, but I wouldn't coat it too much. You want to make sure you know it's gonna dry. So let me see if you can kind of tell. Okay, there you go. Can you see how it's like turning into a heart? You see that? There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and put another coat. Actually, I'm gonna start on my other finger. You guys can just go ahead and watch and enjoy the video. Make sure that before you put the sheer layer on that these are dry. Now that you're putting on your second layer of nail polish, this is your time to really perfect the shape. I love this because it's a simple but kind of interesting way to do a French manicure if you're tired of just regular old French manicures. I still do them sometimes, but sometimes I just like a little bit of a heart. I think it looks pretty. Okay, so now we're done. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the finished product. By the way, if you like my hand chain, I make these myself, so feel free to message me if you want to order one. I can make one. This is what the reverse French manicure will look like. There you go, there are my nails, you can see them really good. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and shout out to my friend who requested this video. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.